Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and order food through Uber Eats? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I'm already guessing you already have downloaded and installed Uber Eats and already signed in into your account. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into the application. And this is where you can simply go ahead and search for anything that you want to eat. So for example, if you want wings, you can search for wings. And as you can see, it will give you the wings places that is near you. Simply go ahead and click on the one that you want, and now all you need to do is simply go ahead and add the things that you want to the basket, just like that. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on a view basket right over here. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply click on go to checkout, and then simply go ahead and select your delivery time, and then go ahead and click on next, and it'll go ahead and take you to add payment method. Simply add your payment method, clear the payment, and it will be at your doorstep. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on